Hello, welcome back to the channel guys. In this lab, we are going to solve pivot tables in Google Sheet. So let's start the lab. So copy your password, open your Google Sheets in your Igniter mode. So click on next. So paste it here, click on next, click on I understood. Come back to your lab. So click on task number 1. So come back here. So click on blank spreadsheet. So go to your file. So click on import, click on upload, click on browse and click on download file. The file is given in the description guys. Please download it and save it in your desktop. So replace the spreadsheet option, click on import. So it's loading. Before that, come back to your lab and copy this name on the raise bakery web traffic. Copy this and then go to your untitled and paste it here. Click on enter. So come back to your lab and click on task number 1, check my progress. So task number 1 is completed. Next let me move for task number 2. Click on check my progress. So task number 2 is completed. Let me move for task number 3. So click on check my progress. So task number 3 also it is completed. So let me move for task number 5. So in this lab we have been completed the pivot tables. So any doubts please comment in the description guys. For more updates please like, share and subscribe guys.